Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is our second session about letters as we learned very first line. Okay, let's start with ha. Ha sound comes from the top of your throat. Ha, ha, ha. As I told you in our previous session, that ha sound comes from the middle of your throat. Ha, ha, but ha, it has different point. Ha from the top and ha from the middle and center. You got it? So ha, ha, ha. Next letter is dal. Dal. The sound of dal comes from the tip of the tongue and the root of your upper front teeth. You know what? Ta and dal, they have same point. They have same point of pronunciation. Dal, ta. But their sound makes difference between them. Ta and dal. Ta and dal. Dal and ta. So repeat after me. Dal, dal, dal. And next letter is thal. Thal. Thal and tha. They have same point. As I told you, ta and dal, they have same point. And thal and tha, they have same point of pronunciation. So thal sound comes from the tip of the tongue and the inner edge of your upper front teeth. Thal, 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 tha, tha, tha. Sound makes difference between them, but the point of pronunciation is still same. Next letter is ra, and the sound of ra comes from the tip of the tongue towards the back of the tongue, right? And from the hard palate. Ra, ra, ra. Okay. Next letter gonna be za, za, za. One thing you have to keep in your mind that za and sin, these two letters have same point of pronunciation. Za and sin, right? So za sound comes from the tip of the tongue and inner edge of your both front teeth. I mean upper and lower. Za, za, za. And the next letter is seen. And as I told you, za and seen have the same point of pronunciation. So seen, the sound of seen pronounced from the tip of the tongue and from the inner edge of your both teeth, both front teeth. I mean upper and lower. I hope you people got this. And insha'Allah ta'ala, in next session, we are going to learn the third line of alphabets. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for watching this.